This is unbelievable. The biggest market in the world. I can't believe I'm a trader. Everybody wants to make money, sitting at home or wherever they are. They just want to make money. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, people and the traders from all over the world. This is Manjunath, and today is being Sunday. I hope everybody is resting. Today is the 23rd of November, so I'm just trying to check gold chart and so that we can prepare for trading from Monday. So here we can see H1 time frame, which is clearly showing all the possible supports and the resistance. Alright, I just want to give you a small brief of what is support and resistances. Support is something which holds the price, and from that price or from that level the price gonna move further upward. That means people are actually interested to buy the particular commodity or the pair at that level, and they are willing to sell at the resistance. The resistance are something like a ceilings. It's like a floor. On the floor you have ceilings, alright, and you have support which acts like a floor where if you just throw the ball, it bounces up and it goes up to the ceiling and it comes back just like that. It's similar to support and resistances. You can say supply and demand. Demand is somewhere here at the bottom and the supply is at the top. So these are the support and resistances, and in order to understand it more, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw lines for support and resistances. So you can see this is the red line, right? You can see where the price is coming back down. So we just draw the line to the range, and we're gonna draw the support line here, and where the price is bouncing from that level. So here is the clear range. You can see the trend is pretty much moving sideways, but in order to enter, sell or buy, so we must analyze with the different charts as well. So here is a H1 time frame support and resistance level. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a small trend here. So you can see the trend is actually moving up. Alright, this is also a resistance line where the price is climbing in a uptrend direction, and this is the support line, and you can see here the price is bouncing back from that level. So I'm gonna adjust a little bit up here because the price actually, this line should at least touch 2 to 3 candles, and it should, when you draw a line touching to 2 or 3 candles, with discipline, I guess you would be able to trade the market without any indicators or without any of the news reports or anything like that. You can simply just trade just drawing these lines. Okay, so now we can see this small trend where actually price is bouncing from there. Actually it was started here. This holds as a lot of strong support. So the price was ranging at this level. It came here and finding the good support here, and it took a long time to take a support. You can see the market will never move immediately without any kind of major reports, like major news, but it does take a time. It does take a lot of time to move. So you can see it almost when it came back, it took 2 hours and then again went up in 2 hours and came back here, and it holds a lot of support here. It took almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to hold the supports, and then price tried to move in, and then sellers came in, then again it tried to go up. So you can see the market is moving. It's like a wave. So we always have time, we always have a good opportunity to trade in the market. So it's the best example. Now if you look at the gold chart, here it is the price, it is closed on Friday, and what is going to happen on Monday. So in order to get the clear understanding, I will open up a 5 minutes chart where we can see what's happening in the 5 minutes chart. Okay, so we are just opened, we still have the trend lines which we drawn, and now we can clearly see the price is actually moving like a wave in here, and just trying, it's in the middle of the resistances, and it's in the middle of the support. So now you can see the price have made 1 2, I can count it as 3 4 5, almost 1 2 3 4 5 highs and lows. So the most of the time when you count the 5 up and downs like this, okay, just 5, like clear 5, 1 2, I can take it 3, I can 4, and I'm expecting it goes here and then 5. Okay, so after the 5 waves, the price is most probably going to react faster. Okay, so here we have the resistance, and here we have the support. So the price went back from the support and making a 5 wave here, so most probably the price is gonna fall from here from Monday. So let me just draw another line. Okay, so here we have the resistances for this smaller time frame. So 1 2 3 4. Now we can imagine another wave will make fifth wave, and then ultimately the price is going to fall to this support level. That's what we are expecting, because the price has to come down from the top, because here it is trying the resistances. It went from the down support and it's playing and trying the resistance. So the most probably the price will fall on Monday to this level. We have the price at 1193, and the good to sell is 1202 level. So if the price reaches to 1202 or anywhere near that, just put a sell entry, and we can just wait for the TP. And here I'm just keeping the price level where we can sell. Here, 1 second, just let me. Okay, we can sell the gold from here at 1202, and we're gonna take the TP. We're gonna take profit somewhere around here. And where do you keep the SL? Of course, we'll go to 1 hour chart. Okay, so if you sell here, we're gonna take the profit here, somewhere here, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just keep the SL somewhere here at this level, because you can see this strong resistance. It's a fractal which I just keep it. Sometimes the fractals are very useful to understand where the price is actually making a lot of support, building volume for the support and building volume for the resistance. So your fractal is really helpful. So here we're gonna keep somewhere the SL at 1208. We're gonna enter at 1202. We're gonna take profit on 1193, 1155. So this is what my analysis says. Apart from that, I also look at the stochastic. It's very useful to identify overbought and the overzone area. Okay, Let me just give you some examples here. See, you can see stochastic is actually at the higher level, which is above 60. So above 60 means the pair is moving, the trend is moving strongly to the uptrend, and it's again going to try 80 level. So by that level, the price will move around to 1202 to 1204. So we're gonna wait till the price move around to that area, and once the stochastic goes up and comes back in, as soon as we see this cross, the red taking over the blue line, we just make an entry there with same TP and the same SL. So let's see what's gonna happen on Monday. We're gonna make another video about this, about our analysis on Monday again once the pair has